Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Terry, your RV specialist here at California RV Specialist. So I just wanted to do a quick, what the heck are you using, right? So my guys primarily use DeWalt tools. Some of them will use Milwaukee. And if you can see over here, we also use a lot of aftermarket batteries because we blow through so much. So here's Terry's using an impact gun. He's got an extended hex head on there. I think that's probably what, a 5/16 nut.
Yeah.
And then he's also got his drill gun out here. So if you haven't used any of the DeWalt tools, check them out. These are 20 volt. This is the impact. We have them in multiple sizes, basically like a small, medium, and large. Same thing with the drill guns. We have like a small, medium, and large of the drill guns. And then if you ever wanted to know, like, hey, how are they guys using the solvent cleaners, right? So here's a pump. This guy basically presses up and down. I was trying to do it one-handed. Pumps up and down, and then it's got a trigger on there, and you can adjust the spray. So we use that as well, and then just to give you a couple other ideas, whether it be drill bits, little boxes, pads, carts that we get, bunch of different caulking guns, and you can see we use a lot of newborn caulking guns. So there's a lot of stuff that each guy has. So this is just his temporary cart. He also has a couple more toolboxes over in the back. And then lots of money invested in tools around here. So we did some other videos in the shop showing our tool corral that we have. We have tool walls. We have multiple shops. So in the shops, we got tons and tons of tools and ladders and all kinds of fun stuff. So anyways, stay tuned for more. Have a great day. It's Dustin, your RV Specialist.